This is primarily related to their ability to function as experiencing physical systems. One of the most challenging aspects about the problem of understanding human consciousness. It is the mind-matter problem. It is the hard problem of consciousness, as pointed out by David Chalmers. How does and where does the subjective experience arise from the physical brain material? But although this is an extremely challenging field of research, the contributions of many physicists, including Eugene Wigner, David Bohm, Sir Roger Penrose, Henry Stapp, suggest an unavoidable role of human consciousness in quantum physics. Therefore, a more complete physics account of the entire chain of the causally connected events, such as those discussed in our example, will require the development of a scientific model of nature that has a room for the inclusion of the conscious systems into the whole dynamics of nature. Today, several groups have already rolled up their sleeves to understand the physics of consciousness, that of the subjective experience, that of the decision-making processes, and also to use this understanding to model human behavior in the social context. The details or even a summary of the precise findings of such research efforts is clearly beyond the scope of this talk. Nevertheless, to give you a flavor, I would like to very briefly mention two interesting research pathways where interpreting the conscious human mind as a participating observer could prove to be useful. One has to do with the understanding of the quantum physical processes underlying human consciousness and subjective experience. There are some recent interesting contributions, for example from Professor Christophe Simon, University of Calgary, Canada, and his co-workers in the field of quantum neuroscience.